All right, so it's about an hour before sunset. We're on location now in a beautiful area. We've got water to our left, park to our right. And what we've done is we've chosen a spot that we can use this path in order to get a wonderful background. I want to point out a few things before we get started with this photo shoot, because we're going to be doing some couples poses now. The first thing I want to point out is that we're in shade and the sun is behind us. That's important. You don't want direct sunlight on your subject's face. The second thing is that the way I'm lined up, they're slightly below me and I'm slightly below the horizon here also, so that what you'll find is that the horizon is going to be a continuous sweep of green behind them. Those are ways that we're going to set up for this. Right now I'm in shutter priority mode. I'm one stop overexposed because I want their flesh tone, the skin tones, to be warm and glowy and bright. I'm at ISO 400, so we're going to work through some of the foundation poses here and have a good time. Let's go ahead and get started.